Welcome to Excel Edubuzz technology. Firstly, I will request all audience for dear viewers, please subscribe my channel and share more and more and press bell icon for new videos. Now, I am ready to showing a dynamic VBA program. Message box. Firstly, I go to developer tab. In insert menu, from insert menu, I have taken a message box. Press message box and go to module, writing some coding. Dim user message as screen. User message which equal to input box. First bracket open, double quote open, what is your message? Quotation, interrogation marks, double quote open, comma, double quote open, message. Entry form. Double quote close, comma. Enter your name. Enter your message here. Double quote close, comma, 500, comma, 700, first bracket close, sales. Sales. First bracket open, 1, comma 1, first bracket close, dot value is equal to user message. Then I press Alt 11 and close worksheet. Then reopen worksheet. Sales. A wonderful message entry form. Already it has been created. My name is Johan. Okay. Already it has been finished. At the end of my tutorial, please subscribe my channel and share more and more and press bell icon.